Today, we are taking a look at something a little different. Normally with real estate, it's glamorous and you get to see a finished product, where in this case, it's going to be a fixer-upper. It's been listed at $520,000 for a detached in Oshawa. Is a great opportunity for those looking to get into the market, but it does require a ton of work. So you're going to have to see if the cost of doing that actually, with the purchase price, makes sense to you. And we'll go through it and I'll kind of show you the raw kind of stuff that you're going to see sometimes in these flip homes. I've gone into homes that are much worse than this one. But again, it's about opportunity, and based on price point at $520,000, it creates an opportunity for those that maybe wanted a detached opposed to a condo or a condo townhome. And we're going to get into it. It's really close to the Oshawa Center, so the one big, huge plus has to be with the area. So you're close to transportation, all that kind of stuff. So without too much more, let's just turn it around and we will kind of go into this home and see if it's something that you would be interested in. But at the very least, you get to see how a flip looks before it gets actually flipped. So this is the front of the house. So far, the shingles on the roof look good, but the windows don't. So the windows would have to get done. Quick, this is just a colleague of mine, John Hartford. He let me do a tour of this home to put onto the YouTube channel, so that's always good. So windows, I would say, need to get done. This front porch, this step here is quite a bit higher than the rest, so that's something that would have to get done as well. And so again, if you're looking for that hobbyist type person, this could be for you. You walk in, you have the floors that you're seeing need to be done as well. Light, of course, there's no bulb in there. So I've tried to open as much of the windows as I can, but you can tell like they're old. They are like the metal windows, aluminum. They don't use those too often. So that's how you get into the basement. We'll go there after. And yeah, so this is the front kind of hallway or foyer that you would actually walk into. They do have a little bit of a closet. Again, I know it's dark, so I do apologize for that. I just changed the lens to normal instead of the ultra wide angle so I can put the flashlight on and give a little bit more brightness. So here would be like the living room, dining room type area, TV setup. Again, windows, quite old. Light fixtures, the ceilings. You have these white panel, not white, the wood laminate paneling. That's something that was done in the 70s. And then we come into the kitchen here, and then you have the cabinets. This is kind of where I just put all my stuff. But you can see like a lot of dirt, so it's like good cleaning, a lot of work for this home. But you do have a stove, so that's good. And fridge as well. And then you go to this little back area, which takes you to the backyard. So it's a little kind of just a little hallway or a little, I guess, vestibule or something like that, just before you get into the backyard. Great sized backyard with a storage shed. And I'm not sure what these concrete patio stones were for, but yeah, so you just got a great sized backyard. It's the back of the house. So again, windows. If you go back further, see if I can see the shingles back there. They look decent. Not great, but decent. So I don't think the roof shingles would be an immediate type fix that you would need. And then that's the driveway, so you could fit 2 cars easily. I'd pave the driveway because you have a lot of the asphalt caved in on certain areas. Back in. And so this is how you get upstairs. So again, the steps are not even. So if you're coming up and down, you want to be super careful because it's super steep. I looked here. That's the only guy that I could find. I recognize the name Boone Jenner. He did play for the Columbus Blue Jackets in the NHL. So that Oshawa General poster was from the 2010 season. So that's kind of neat. So this would be bedroom number 1. Got some nice wallpaper. You have carpet over hardwood. I would still do the floors again because they're uneven as well. So not sure what that is. That's closed off. And then, well, okay, I'll fix that after, but that's the window, overlooks the front. And that was just the blinds that kind of fell. Gotta love gut jobs. Have stuff like this that happens. Thought maybe I could open them, but nope. So yeah, so it's 4 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 2. Same thing, floors, wallpaper. Then you see like the ceiling, so I would figure out what's that. If it's all wet up there, then the roof is leaking, so then the roof would have to get done. But home inspection could definitely tell you a lot more than what I am. But yeah, you're just seeing a lot of the floors and the walls. So painting floors would be something that would definitely need to get done. Drywalling the ceilings, definitely more lights because it is very dark in here. Well, this is the hatch to the attic. Definitely, I'm not going to go in there. This would be the bathroom. Just really quickly, my name is Brad Goetz and I'm a local realtor here within the Durham region. So if you are looking at moving here and you want help, all you have to do is call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. And I'm just here to make everything really go so much easier. I've helped so many people looking to move here and I absolutely love it. Be sure to subscribe to the channel as well. And then like the videos if you are enjoying what I'm putting out there. And yeah, let's just hop back into the video now. So yeah, this is the bathroom. Definitely some work in here needs to get done. There's a light fixture there. Don't know if it's waterproof, so that could be a problem. This is the 4th bedroom. They're all super small, but could put a bed in it. And older homes, a lot of the times, they weren't built huge, but they were practical. Now we'll go into the basement. So this just gives you an idea of the stairs, how steep they are. I'm gonna try not to fall. There we go. So, and this is the stairs to go to the basement. It's a low headroom basement, so you couldn't duplex it or anything like that. So the problem with being tall is I can't stand in this basement. I'm 6'4", and this basement is probably about 5 feet. So homes like this, normally my head is the one that clears the cobwebs between the floor joists. So we won't be doing that today, unfortunately, but I will show you around the basement because it's something that the basement does. We'll start with the furnace. Furnace is older. It's working, so it wouldn't be an immediate thing, but it is something that you would want to pay attention to. And then we will turn it around and I'll show you the electrical because the electrical is a problem here as well. So you have the fuse. You have the fuses, which insurance companies don't like very much. And then typically they're 60 amps. So it is something where, I don't know, I wouldn't say that, but there is a 100 amp service that comes into the house. But the main problem would be is those wires here, right there, that's knob and tube. And knob and tube insurance companies won't touch. And then those ceramic little things coming out, I don't even know what they're called. But again, another indication of knob and tube. So you do have knob and tube, probably some aluminum wiring as well. So this would require quite a bit for the electrical, your washer and dryer down in the basement. I don't know how good you would feel doing your laundry down here, but yeah, you got your dryer over there, washer over here close to the sink. Well, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like the video itself. Let me know people are enjoying what I'm putting out there. If you have any comments in terms of the house, drop it in the comments as well. I'd love to know about that. If you are somebody who's considering Oshawa, I'd love to know, why are you considering Oshawa? Where are you living now? And if you are living in Oshawa, what do you think of it? How do you feel about it? And this will help other people who are looking to move here as well, because there's a ton of people looking to move here and they don't always just want to trust my feedback. So people who could comment, definitely helps as well. I've helped so many people looking to move to the Oshawa area, and I absolutely love it. So if you're looking for that help, all you have to do, call, text, email, send a carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. And I'm just here to make everything go so much easier. My name is Brad Goetz, and I'm a local realtor here, and I've helped so many people, and I absolutely love that. This video was just to show you the darker side of real estate, we'll call it, because typically when you see home tours and things, you're seeing the glamorous, where it's been renovated, it's been staged, it's been professionally photographed. I don't know if that's a word, but it seems suiting to the moment. So yeah, you're seeing that like glamorous side of it, where it doesn't always start out like this. And this here, I was able to show you some of the things that you can look for as well. So if you are looking to move, and you are looking to buy a house, and let's say you're using a realtor that doesn't know too much about the homes, you have a good idea in terms of what you can look for yourself. So again, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos on my channel. And until next time.